Hello everyone. Today, let's quickly understand venture capital, one of the most important drivers of innovation in today's startup ecosystem. We'll keep it brief and practical for founders. Let's dive in. Venture capital, or VC, is a type of private funding provided to early-stage startups that have high growth potential, but also high risk. Unlike bank loans, there's no monthly repayment schedule. Instead of loans, investors get equity, meaning ownership in the company. Imagine you have a brilliant app idea, but no funds to build it. A venture capitalist invests money in your startup, helps you grow, and in return owns a percentage of your company. Venture capital funding typically happens in stages: seed stage, initial idea and prototype, then Series A, B, C, scaling the business. Each round brings more funding as the startup grows. The benefits? Startups get funding, mentorship, and industry connections. The risks? Many startups fail, so investors may lose money. In recent years, VC funding has expanded globally, especially in sectors like AI, fintech, and climate tech, fueling innovation and unicorn startups. In short, venture capital is about investing in bold ideas that can shape the future. High risk, but potentially high reward. Thanks for watching.